Wadla ka Jylla kalayo amade ka jinghap slap ka bakloy haw news nam khamtam hakini gitayaw ki baladap Katkum ka Rekod Jong ka Imd Shillong ka Jylla kadang don hapadeng ka jingter khong slap. Uthang jara luvum ubadei uhe jong ka Meteorological Center ha Shillong jong ka tanat pet mariang jong ka ri India ula pentikna baka Jylla ka mad ka jing Duna slap ka bajur hadu 100%. Kani ka jing Duna slap kadang ye beteng wad hadin ka jinghap slap ha ka leng ka than badla khmi danti bakan dan shushu ka jinghap slap hakini ki atayo banwan.
Pre-monsoon, we have continuous rainfall for the past 2-3 weeks now, but even then for the whole of Meghalaya we're having a deficient rainfall of around 55% deficient rainfall compared to long-term normals. Okay, and it is likely to continue for the next 2 weeks.
So another 2 weeks means mid of May it will continue.
Yes, likely. And our this year first long range forecast issued by our HQ gives above normal rainfall probably for most part of Meghalaya. An updated long range forecast will be issued on the second week of May, around 15 May. So that will give better forecast as well as more inputs like onset of monsoon and other features. So these monsoon forecasts are based on both dynamic and statistical models, and this year monsoon seasonal rainfall is likely to be 105% of long-term average, and this with a model error of around 5%. So this rainfall for Meghalaya, so this year is forecasted to be above normal, so we can get this updated forecast in the next long range forecast.
Well, from when till when this monsoon rainfall will happen?
Monsoon, according to Imd criteria, is from June to September, but sometimes it can start early or a little few days late, and it can also continue till first or second week of October also, depending on the conditions. No, the forecast is issued few months in advance. So the first long range forecast by IMD was issued on the 15 April, and the updated one will be on the 15 May. So these are issued 2 months in advance. So we have also seasonal forecast and monthly forecast also. During rainfall is very much variable. So the past few years we have a decreasing trend, but within this period also some years it is more, some year it is less. So till now in India especially, Meghalaya is still having the highest rainfall records, and in Meghalaya also Mawsynram is still leading.
Okay.
Last year Mawsynram recorded around almost 12,000 millimeter of rainfall. So Sora around 10,000, and those two are in the average within that normal range, but the highest it is off by a very huge amount, because the highest in Mawsynram is more than 26,000 millimeter.
So you said that this 12,000 millimeter, is it overall or just?
Yes, it is overall.